If we were gonna set up flight plan, how would we do that?
That's it's a point and click kind of interface.
Okay.
So you would on the tablet, it's fun, but you would have to zoom into your area. When you're connected to the drone, it would automatically highlight where you're at if you had GPS.
Right.
But
And the GPS isn't lit up either, so
GPS didn't light up.
is that because we're inside?
Yeah, probably.
it won't the new GPS modules don't light up on the inside.
Okay.
But you'll have a solid blue light when they are connected.
And so that would be outside or inside?
You could be at a window inside, but you had to be outside.
Okay.
So if I do this,
Is everyone else at the point that you just need to bind and program?
Yeah.
Receivers.
And then we can fly, right?
We need the receivers.
Yeah, he's gonna send them out tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow?
Tomorrow morning.
Wow.
Yeah. At service with a smile. Okay, so you know what you need to do, so we can let him go?
Yep.
All right, any other questions for Mr. Miller from the back, guys? Girls?
Oh, Mr.
Any other questions? Do we understand everything that we
Yeah,
needed to
Mr.
know?
We can see his screen.
See screen.
Hey, we see your screen.
Oh, you missed.
yep. So I was sharing Mission Planner so I can kind of talk it through.
All right, we can do that.
Once I find me.
Yeah, and Michael, you.
So this is our building in Mission Planner's view. And like I said, it's kind of a point and click operation. You would normally see your drone. We'll pretend where this cross is. And if we wanted it to go to the back of our parking lot, we would just click, and it's gonna say you have to have a home altitude. And we would set our altitude, and we would say home is at 0. So now this is our first waypoint. We can click and drag and move it. But say we wanted to come and visit this side of our property, we'd just click again. And every time we click, you'll see the yellow line. We're creating a path.
Okay.
And so the drone's going to take off and then fly to 1, 2, 3, 4, and back to 5. And that's the basics of planning your mission. Let's see if this will let me clear it. One of the cool features is that we use quite often is called Auto Waypoint, and it's called Survey Grid version 2. And this brings up another window. Can you see the second window? The survey?
No, only see the one. I think you can only share one screen at a time. You'd have to switch it in your settings.
Okay, so let me click share my screen,
And you change.
and let me share this one. Share.
Here, I see the top of the window, but there it is. No,
What's this?
we're seeing the roofs.
Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna kind of, it's not really letting me, let me see if I can do it. So what we do is we draw a box
Got it?
over what we want to survey. So our building. Cool. All right, I'm getting some of it. I should have a drop down over here. Get in there. One of these. Let's see. It's not exactly. There we go. There we go.
Oh, yeah. I'm seeing that.
So we can change. I wish I could see. It's kind of not letting me see my screen too
Okay.
well. But you can create an automatic mission on your computer, and it'll show, it'll automatically generate this flight path to fly back and forth over the property. And if you wanted to, I wish I could, you can change the altitude so we do more photos. And I know it's around here somewhere. Whoops, there we go. Grid. We can show all the photos it takes.
Wow.
And how they overlay.
Wow.
So it would take, you know, oh, there it goes.
Now you got 10 minutes, okay?
This would let it take, you know, 90 to 100 photos during this mission.
So for that we have to connect the camera, like using a wire.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear it.
So for that we have to connect a camera that could like be accessed by this program.
Yeah, so you would use this program to create the mission. You would accept the mission, and then you would tell it to write on the, whoops, share screen, sharing, share. You would tell it on the right side to write the waypoints to the drone. This is what you can do with the wireless link. So then it does it wirelessly.
Okay.
I don't know. I won't be able to, on this computer, I wouldn't be able to share a mission, but I can send you guys an email of one.
Okay.
So you can load it and see what they look like when you run them.
Hey, well, we're at the ending point now. These kids have to get out and catch a bus
Okay.
to go. So
Well,
thank you for your time today. We certainly so much appreciate you joining us.
What's the
And
yellow spot?
And I will definitely follow up about field trips.
okay.